Hi everyone, I am doing some engraving today, so I just want to show you a video on what I actually use and how I go about engraving. I'm engraving this wine glass, so what I use is this Stabilo pencil to mark up the glass. I also have this machine right here. It is a nail drill machine. For engraving glass, all you really need is 30,000 RPM. So you can get this from Amazon, or you can get something a little bit more powerful if you want to engrave something like metal. I also have the drill bit. This is a diamond drill bit. You can get this from Amazon. It comes with a pack of various sizes and shapes, so you can test out any of them to see which one you like best. I also wear a face mask. That's because once you start engraving, there will be a lot of fine dust that's created, so you want to protect yourself from that. I will also have a tray and a little brush to brush off any of the dust before I start cleaning. Since I want all my names to be on a slanted angle on this wine glass, I have created this template where I just put this paper in here, and I will do a quick guideline onto the glass. And I will write the guest name using Stabilo pencil. And for this one, I've already written the name on there. And once everything is done, you can just wipe it with a damp cloth so everything can be cleaned. With the drill bit, what you have to do is you're going to put the drill bit into the handle and then you lock it in place. And you just have to turn on the machine all the way to the highest level, and then you'll see that the drill will start turning. And so I'm going to start engraving now. The engraving portion does get quite loud, so I've removed the audio portion of the clip. Right here, I am ghosting right over the word first. This is what I usually like to do first. So before I actually put the drill right onto the surface, I would usually go over it to see how my hand would move along the object, especially with a wine glass, because if it's a curved surface, you want to make sure that your hand motion is free enough to move across the glass as you go along. And also, you don't have to actually press down really hard. All you have to do is glide across the surface and just let the drill do its work. Especially with words, I like to do a first run first. I know my good friend Tanya, she uses an edge knife to do her engraving because she won't have to run it through again in order to get the thick lines. But I haven't used an edge knife before, and for me, because I'm so used to doing full calligraphy, I usually like to do the thicker line for a second run through in order to get the perfect thickness. Eventually, maybe once I get my hands on an edge knife, I can practice doing that. So I just need to engrave it once, and that will be it. So I will go through the entire word one time and brush it off and see how it looks like. And then I will clean it off with a damp cloth or damp paper towel to take off all the markings from the Stabilo pencil. And then I will go through it again to thicken up the lines where I see fit. So here is my engraved glass. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. And subscribe to my channel if you want more videos such as this. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time.